A failing wax ring under a toilet usually shows itself through clear, avoidable signs that you can spot quickly. Water pooling around the toilet base is the most obvious indicator and often means the wax seal has been compressed, misaligned, or damaged. Check after a flush. Dry the area, mark with a piece of paper, and observe whether moisture returns, which confirms an active leak. A persistent sewer odor in the bathroom indicates gas from the drain line is escaping, which can happen when the wax ring does not form a complete airtight bond. Ventilate while you troubleshoot and avoid using bleach near the flange because it can hide organic smells. A loose or rocking toilet is a telltale mechanical signal that the flange bolts or the ring are not seated correctly. Tighten the closet bolts evenly by alternating sides and never over-tighten plastic flanges because they will crack. If you can see a visible gap between the toilet base and the finished floor, or the seal area looks disturbed when you tilt the bowl slightly, this strongly suggests improper installation or an undersized ring. Measure the flange height and use a foam gasket or stackable wax ring if the flange is below floor level. For standing water issues, confirm the toilet is not cracking by inspecting the porcelain and listen for trickles after several flush cycles because hairline cracks can mimic seal leaks. When replacing the ring, always lift the toilet straight up off the flange and avoid turning or sliding the bowl, which can smear the wax and create voids. Use gloves. Clean all old wax with a putty knife. Inspect the flange for damage and center the new ring before lowering the bowl evenly onto the bolts. 3 common mistakes cause repeat failures. First, using the wrong thickness or type of wax ring for a recessed or raised flange leads to gaps that leak. So match ring thickness to flange height or use a foam ring for low flanges. Second, failing to clean and inspect the flange and bolt area allows debris or corroded bolts to prevent a good seal. So scrape old wax, replace damaged bolts, and smooth the flange face before installing a new ring. Third, tightening bolts unevenly or shifting the toilet. While lowering it creates voids in the wax ring, so hand start both nuts, lower the bowl straight down, and tighten alternately in small increments until snug. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and a community of homeowners sharing experiences about repairs like wax ring replacement. We help contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where members trade tips, recommend installers, and post before and after details.